Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you three easy ways to insert symbols, equations, and mathematical expressions into your Microsoft Word documents, just as you can see over here. We're going to use this template for everything we do over here, okay? So whether you're working on your assignment, your report, or just trying to add clean math formatting, okay? This video has got you covered. Alright, so without further delay, let's jump into it. The first method is actually very simple, but it is exhausting and time wasting. Alright, that is doing this manually. Okay, inserting your symbols manually. So we're going to click on the insert tab and search for the symbols ribbon. Okay, we're going to click on equations to open the equations menu. Okay, the tab. So from here, we could easily input our equations manually by just selecting them. Okay, so let's try and get this same equation down here. Okay, so you can see the integral sign. We're going to look for the exact one over there and input the infinity sign. You have it over here. That's 0. So over here, this is a fraction. So we're going to look for the one that's used it. Alright, so we can see x here, but this x has an exponent. So we're going to change it to this. And alright, so we are done with it now. You can see the x here is not the same x over here. It's very simple. You just need to select the whole thing and change it to, yeah, you just have to click this text twice. It's going to change it to regular text and then come back to mathematical text. Okay. Alright, so let's tackle method 2. This method is way faster and simpler, but you need some knowledge on math code. Okay, this is because you're going to be using LaTeX shortcuts. Right, so see we are typing, right? The solution of the blah blah is, we don't need to go to insect and be entering all those symbols manually. We could just press Alt and equal to on our keyboard to activate the equation editor. Then we type. We know integer in math is, the math code is this. We're going to click on the spacebar on our keyboard. Then we have the symbol, right, with the lower uh, limit of 0 and the higher limit of infinity. Infinity in here is, then click on the spacebar, right? Click on the spacebar again, then we have it this way. So we're going to continue doing this till we get the whole equation. Yes, so this is the second method of inserting equations and mathematical expressions into your document. Okay, just in case you do this and you still have some C dots or some commands in there, you just need to click here, click on professional, and it should reset. Okay, you can make it linear by clicking here. This is what computer understands. Okay, so maybe you want a linear expression to give to ChatGPT. You just need to click here and then get that one. The third method, which is the most simplest and easiest, is by using the math input panel. Okay, you can find that over here by clicking on the insect, coming back to the equation tab and clicking on ink equation. Okay, here you can draw the symbols and it will appear in your document. If you can't find this over here or you find coming all the way here exhausting, you could just click on your Windows search bar and search for math input and you would be able to activate it over here. So let's try writing this equation. Yeah, so this may not be the best. This is usually very useful for those who have stylus and maybe a touch screen. But then you can correct whatever is here, right? You can see instead of the infinity, there's an alpha, right? So to correct this, we're just going to click on it. We're just going to click on select and correct like this. And we have our infinity over here. So as good as that, we can insert this into our document, right? Yeah. Then we have the same equation down here. This can save you your time if you don't want to go to insert and be looking for the integration sign, the mu, all of that. You can just draw it and insert it into your document straightforward. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. If you have any problem, make sure to put that in the comment section and I'll make sure to attend to you.